Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2011 Physics Past Question 12. A machine is used to lift a load of 20 Newton through a height of 10 meters. If the efficiency of the machine is 40%, how much work is done? A. 300 joules, B. 120 joules, C. 80 joules, D. 500 joules. So this is a question under efficiency, or it is related to efficiency of a machine. And mathematically, efficiency is given as the work output divided by the work input times 100 over 1. So from the equation, we are given the efficiency as 40%, so that is 40 equal to the work output is given to us, which is 20 lifted through a height of 10, so that is 20 multiplied by 10 divided by the work input is what we are looking for, how much work is done. So that is, let's call it x, and then times 100 over 1. So this all multiplied by this, and then this cross multiplied, that is 40x is equal to 20 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 100. So you divide through by 40, and then x, 40, then x will be equal to 500 joules. 500 joules is option D, as we see here. So it is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.